Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So, today's video is related to eye makeup. As you can see, I have shared gorgeous eye makeup, and if you wanna attend any function or occasion, you can see different eyeshadows and eye makeup, and these are the party makeup and occasional makeup. I hope you will like these shades and lip colors and eyeshadows. If you are new at my channel and wanna more designing ideas related to any design, you can visit on my channel once. There I have shared many videos on my channel. If you wanna see more eyeshadow videos, you can visit also on my channel. I have shared many videos. I hope you will like these shades. Now let me say to take care of yourself. Take care friends. Bye bye.